Right now, even while you're watching this video, a gigantic galaxy is moving toward us, silently, through the dark, without stopping. And nothing can prevent it. Its name is Andromeda. That tiny blurry spot you can barely see in the night sky. It's not a star, it's an entire galaxy. A colossal structure containing nearly 1 trillion stars, and it's heading straight toward us at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour. The human mind struggles to understand scales like this, because we think about cars, cities, countries, but this is galaxies. A cosmic giant located 2.5 million light years away. And scientists now know something terrifying. The collision is unavoidable. In about 4 to 5 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will collide. Two galaxies, billions of stars, countless worlds, and one unimaginable cosmic spectacle. But here's the strange part. The galaxies will crash into each other. Yet the stars themselves will almost never collide. Yes, that's real. Because space is far emptier than you think. If the sun were the size of a tennis ball, Earth would orbit a few meters away. But the nearest star? Thousands of kilometers farther. Galaxies look dense, but inside, they are mostly empty space, which means billions of stars can pass directly through one another without touching. It sounds impossible, like a paradox. But the universe was never designed around human intuition. Now imagine this. You are alive billions of years in the future. Maybe Earth still exists. Maybe humanity survived. Nobody knows. But if someone looks up at the sky that night, they would witness the most beautiful and horrifying view in human history. Because Andromeda would no longer appear as a tiny blur in the darkness. It would dominate the sky. Massive rivers of stars, glowing clouds of gas, gigantic spiral arms stretching across the heavens. Every night the sky would seem alive, moving, changing, breathing for the first time. The universe would feel close enough to touch. Then, the first galactic pass begins. As the galaxies move through each other, gravity tears everything apart. Star systems are thrown into deep space. Some stars are ejected into the darkness between galaxies. Others are dragged into completely new orbits. And on certain nights, there may be more than one galactic core visible in the sky. Imagine that. Two glowing centers above your head, two oceans of light, two galaxies dancing together. But this is not a romantic dance. This is destruction on a cosmic scale. And the collision won't last hours, or days, or centuries. It will continue for millions of years. Eventually, neither the Milky Way nor Andromeda will remain. Both galaxies will merge into something entirely new. A giant galaxy scientists already have a name for, Milkomeda, a fusion of the Milky Way and Andromeda. But this new galaxy will no longer have elegant spiral arms. It will become larger, older, more chaotic, a massive elliptical galaxy. The night sky will never look the same again. The constellations we know today will disappear forever. Orion, Ursa Major, Polaris, gone. Because even the stars above us are temporary. And that leads to the most unsettling question of all. Will humanity still exist to witness it? 4 billion years sounds infinite. But remember this. 4 billion years ago. Complex life on Earth didn't even exist. Human civilization is only a tiny moment in cosmic history. Modern technology, just a blink of an eye. So by the time Andromeda arrives, will we have spread across the stars? Will we become an interstellar civilization, or will humanity already be gone? Maybe humans will witness the collision, maybe machines will, or maybe nobody will remain at all. But one thing is certain. The galaxies are not waiting for us. The universe already set this event in motion, and right now, at this exact moment, Andromeda just moved a little closer.